Hello guys, this is Reck Master with tutorial number 6, and tutorial number 6 is going to be buttons. So if we go ahead, open the Visual Basic Studio and go on a Windows application form, and as soon as you've got that up, resize it to whatever you want, and yeah, go ahead into your toolbox, click button and just add it on. So, or you can drag and drop it as following, like that. So yeah, that's how to add a button, and what we'll do now is we'll go into a bit of code. So buttons can be used for a lot of things. Main ones is linking forms. So as you've seen in the linking form tutorial, obviously. And yeah, they can be used for a lot of things. So like setting timers off, adding value. You can make calculators with buttons. You can make alarms, all sorts of stuff. You can change variables with buttons as well, which I'll go into detail in another tutorial. So if we want to go ahead and resize the form a bit. What should we have button 3 as? We'll have it as +1 label 1. So we'll just add a label there, and we'll set that label as, oops, click the panel, and again 0. So yeah, that's set to 0 now. We'll have button 2 as to set a timer off. Timer 1.start. So we'll set the timer, and that's going to be controlling a progress bar. And we'll have label 3 as form2.show. So we want to go ahead and get another form. Add a label to this. This is form 2. Oh, and we'll add the close button as well. So close. So we'll start off with the easiest bit first, and that's the close button on form 2. So to go into the code, just double click it, and it should come up with this. And in between these two lines, you should type me.close. Doesn't matter if it's in capitals or not; it'll alter it for you. But what this does is me stands for, well, the form, and close is pretty self-explanatory. It'll just close the form. So close form. Go ahead and do the form2.show bit. So, well, the code is on the button, so it's just form2.show. We'll do the timer 1.start, so it'll be just timer 1.start. And we'll do label 1 add 1. So label 1.text plus equals 1. So then just let me go ahead and type the code for the progress bar. Oh, wrong thing. Doing a lot of typing errors today. Then progress bar 1.value equals 0. Oh, we'll add another one for timer1.stop as well. So it's just timer1.stop. So if we go ahead and open that, got this, and as you can see, the +1 label 1, as I do that, the label goes up. So that can be done. Timer1.start, so that makes the progress bar go up until I press stop. Then the progress bar stops, and then start again. And I can do form2.show, which is this. Close, which just closes the form. So if I stop that and close that and go back to this, we can make forms do stuff through buttons. So if you want to go back to form 1 and double click form2.show, and then we want to go through window states. So it'll be me for the form, obviously, dot window state equals window state form window state dot minimized. So basically what it's going to do is it's just going to minimize it down to the bar, the form, when I open form 2, and form 2 will just be on its own. So when I click close, I want this to come back up, yeah? So just reverse it, so it'll be, but only this time it's, give me a second, the code has to be above me.close. Anything below me.close doesn't work. So it'll be form1 dot window state equals, but then we're going to click normal this time, so it'll go back to normal. So let's go ahead and test that out. Form2.show, there we go, it's minimized it, and when I close it, form1 comes back up. What else can we do? We can do picture boxes as well. Change pictures. So say I had 3 buttons, and we're going to call these green, orange, red. So then what we want to do is we're going to go to Project, Windows Application 1 Properties, Resources, and we're going to minimize that. We're going to go to these, open, and paste these in here. So what we can do is when we click green, we can go picture box 1 dot image equals my dot resources dot green. So what it's doing is it's making mine.resources, which is this, choosing the green one and placing it in picture box 1. So we'll just go ahead and do that for the orange and the red. So if we just copy and paste the code, only change green to orange. Green. Oh, give me a sec. Just change this stretch image. So green, orange, red. So you can use buttons to change things as well. So this has been tutorial number 6 on buttons, and yeah, comment, rate, subscribe.